Hello friends, today on this video I will show you how to on the developer option in this Poco mobile. Before we continue this video, so let's start video now. First we have go here from this setting and about my phone, click there and all space, click it here. This you are now a developer, then you should buy and go here from additional setting, then rule. This developer option has come here, so be like that simple it. So if you love the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video and do not forget to click the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video.